Morning, y'all. How's it going? I'm up here early. Gonna make some breakfast. What I'm gonna make is a loaded chorizo omelette. It's like one of my favorite omelets to make. So let's get to it. But before that, let's take Kenzo for a walk. Let's go. Okay, now that I'm back from taking Kenzo for a walk, we can definitely get started. So, omelets. Mi abuelita always used to make me some loaded omelets or chorizo omelets because that was my Cuban side. That's my Cuban side of the family. So she always used to make me some Cuban omelets. They call it, where they put like chorizo, onions, peppers, some scotch bonnet, some mushrooms, cheese, bacon, sometimes some potatoes, everything. It'd be nice and loaded up. So yeah, let's get to this omelet so I can hurry up, eat some breakfast and probably go back to sleep. Alright, let's go. Okay, so first we're gonna start by cracking some eggs in here. I'll probably crack just 2 eggs, it's just me eating. So 2 eggs will be okay. And then you're gonna add some cream. So add a bit of cream in there. Now you're gonna add some black pepper. Some salt. And some red crushed peppers. You're gonna mix that all up. Now let's get up to cutting some onions. We're gonna slice up some green peppers and also some yellow peppers. I like to make the omelet a bit colorful, so why not? Alright, slice this up. Alright, now we got the herbs cut up, awesome. Y'all know I gotta add my little spice, so I gotta get my scotch bonnet. Got my scotch bonnet here. Get a scotch bonnet. A nice little spice. Even outside of the spice, but scotch bonnet has add some good flavor to your food. Don't sleep on the scotch bonnet. Whether you like spice or not, don't sleep on scotch bonnet. Alright, we got the herbs all cut up. Now we're gonna cut up some mushrooms. I love mushrooms, honestly. I can literally put mushrooms with anything. Everywhere. Alright, we got the mushrooms cut up. All right, now we got all the herbs cut up. Now let's get to cooking this omelet. So first things first, let's oil up this pan so we can cook up the herbs. Let it get warm for a bit. Now we're gonna fry down the chorizo. And make sure that's nice and hot. Alright, let's get cooking the chorizo. Trust me, this is gonna be a big boy omelet. I still love chorizo in my omelets because it's like one of those meats that it's just so tasty and it adds a little spice to it as well. Alright, now let's add the herbs. I'm gonna add the herbs now. Fry them down. I wish y'all could have smelled this right now, honestly. This is, wow. Ooh, that's that Scotch bonnet. Wow, that went straight up my nose. That even made me sneeze just now. We're gonna season that up with some Old Bay. Sometimes though, when the omelet is loaded, it's kind of hard to flip, so I won't be doing an omelet flip today. When I do something less loaded, then we'll go for the flip, alright? Or maybe, who knows, let's see how this goes. Maybe I could do a little flip, but this looks a little heavy, you see? So I know, but we can figure it out. It's a nice little weekend breakfast, or, you know, if you have some time in the morning to make a loaded omelet, why not make this recipe? It's really good. It's one of my favorite omelets, like I said again. So I highly recommend making this because you'll be full for sure if you're hungry, if you're really hungry in the morning. Okay, so now we're gonna add in the egg. Get all around there. Now me. Now I'm gonna reduce the heat a bit because you don't want to burn your egg at the bottom, or stick, I should say. So we're gonna reduce the heat a bit. We're gonna do the edges. So nice, 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 nice. Look how nice that omelet's starting to turn out. Now we're gonna add some cheese. I sometimes like adding the cheese when the top is still a bit, when there's still a bit of egg on the top, still cooking. So let's add up some cheese. This here is some smoked cheddar cheese that I truly love. Well, this is what I call an omelet, guys. Okay, so this bad boy is basically done. It almost looks like a mini pizza. Omelet pizza. I hope y'all gained some value from this loaded omelet that I made. Please hit the subscribe button. I'll greatly appreciate that so much. Can't wait to eat this. Look at that omelet.